Hello friends, now we shall discuss about atomic mass. Atomic mass. In earlier days, atomic mass of any atom determined on the basis of hydrogen. As we know that hydrogen atom is the lightest atom in the whole universe, and therefore we consider one without any unit to determine atomic mass of other atoms. But nowadays mass spectroscopy fairly determine atomic mass of any atom. So nowadays we consider one isotope of carbon 12 which assigned as standard atomic mass. On the basis of this carbon 12 atomic mass, we determine mass of other atoms. Isotope of carbon 12, isotope of carbon 12 assigned as standard mass for SN is a standard mass for determination of mass of other atoms. So mass of carbon 12 we take as a standard for determination of atomic mass of other atoms. Any mass is represented in the terms of atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit, in short we write AMU. These are the unit for representation of mass of any atom. So, one atomic mass unit exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. So, we can write one atomic mass unit equal to exactly one atomic mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. This we will understand with the help of one example. Consider if we want to determine atomic mass unit of lightest atom called hydrogen atom, then we will easily determine with the help of atomic mass unit of carbon 12. Practically, one atomic mass unit equal to means 1 AMU, atomic mass unit equal to 1.66056 into 10 raised to 24 gram. I repeat, one atomic mass unit practically determined on the basis of mass spectroscopy is 1.66056 into 10 raised to 24 gram. We want to determine atomic mass unit or mass of hydrogen atom. The mass of hydrogen atom equal to the mass of one hydrogen atom equal to 1.6736 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So if we determine mass of hydrogen, then practically mass of hydrogen obtained is 1.6736 into 10 raised to 24 gram. So consider one atomic mass unit value 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram equal to 1 atomic mass unit. 1.66056 10 raised to 24 gram equal to 1 atomic mass unit. Mass of hydrogen will be 1.6736 into 10 raised to 4 equal to how many? So here 1.6736 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram equal to how many atomic mass unit? Means 1.6736 10 raised to minus 24 gram multiplied by 1 divided by 1.66066056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. The answer will be 1.0078 atomic mass unit, or we can write equivalent to 1.008 atomic mass unit. That means atomic mass unit of hydrogen is 1.008. Nowadays, atomic mass unit redefined into only unified mass. So we can write atomic mass unit equal to unified mass, or we can represent small u, which is the unit of atomic mass, instead of AMU. So nowadays unified mass is represent of the atomic mass. So if we determine mass of oxygen, then we can also determine unified mass or atomic mass unit of oxygen in same way. So this is about atomic mass, which earlier determined on the basis of hydrogen without any unit, but nowadays these atomic mass of certain atoms or all the atoms determined on the basis of atomic mass of carbon 12, which is the one of the isotopes. So if you like this video, please share as much as possible, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.